Good morning, my dear students. Now we are going to talk about basic concepts of chemistry and chemical calculations. Topic today I take topic oxidation number and Dax reaction and types of Dax reaction. First one, IUPAC nomenclature. Just introduction. The compound that is formed by the elements have more than one type of oxidation number. Is name differentiated by the Roman number, writing the bracket in the back of the element's name. The Roman number shows the value of oxidation number of the element. Listen, the compound that is formed by the elements have more than one type of oxidation number. Is name differentiated by the Roman number, writing in the bracket in the back of that element name. The Roman number shows the value of oxidation numbers of that element. The compound that is formed by the element only has one type of oxidation number. The Roman number does not need written. The IUPAC nomenclature applies in both ionic and covalent compounds. Very important point. The IUPAC nomenclature applies in both ionic and covalent bonds. For examples, CO, this is binary covalent compounds. CO means carbon dioxide, wait my dear students. Carbon dioxide. So first one carbon monoxide, second one carbon dioxide, and third one phosphorus trioxide and nitrous oxide and nitrous pentoxide and trichloro octoxide. Okay, listen. Carbon, first one carbon monoxide. This is carbon oxidation number 2. Carbon oxidation number 2, therefore written in Roman letter 2. Carbon dioxide. Carbon oxidation number plus 4, therefore Roman letter 4. And P2O3, phosphorus oxidation number 3, for Roman letter 3. N2O5, nitrogen oxidation number 5. And chlorine oxidation number 7. Okay, students, listen. So, oxidation state heading for reactions that are not metal plus non-metal or do not involve oxygen. We need a method for determining how the electrons are transferred. Chemists assign a number to each element in a reaction called as oxidation state that allows them to determine the electron flow in the reaction. It's an important point. Basically, oxidation number denotes the oxidation state of the elements in a compound according to a set of rules formulated on the basis that electron pair in a covalent bond belongs entirely to the more electrovalent bond. What is the oxidation number? Oxidation is the loss of electrons. Reduction is the gain of electrons. Important point. Oxidation is the loss of electrons. Reduction is the gain of electrons. Oxidation and reduction go together. Whenever a substance loses electrons and another substance gains electrons. Oxidation numbers are a system that we can use to keep track of electron transfer. Common oxidation state. First one, chemical species, oxidation state and redox. Any elements, example for iron, oxygen, SC8 means sulfur, 0. Any element oxidation number or oxidation state 0. Oxygen in any compound -2 except in peroxide. And example H2O2 and Na2O2 is a peroxide. Then oxygen atom has oxidation state of -1 or in Fe2O. Peroxide means O2, oxygen, H2O2, Na2O2 is a peroxides. Therefore, except -2 except in peroxide, example H2O2 and Na2O2. Then oxygen atom has oxygen state of -1 or in Fe2O or single oxygen. Then oxygen atom has oxygen state of +2. Fluorine is any compound. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Fluorine in any compound -1 being most electronegative atom. Hydrogen in any compound +1 except in metal hydrides. Example NaH. Then hydrogen atom has action rate of -1 as metals have a greater tendency to lose electrons. Chlorine, bromine, iodine have -1. Negative oxygen state is if bonded to less negative electronegativity element. Example NaCl. Then chlorine -1. Positive oxygen state if bonded to more electronegativity element. For example ClO minus and ClO2 minus. ClO minus oxygen state +1. ClO3 minus oxygen state +5. Next one, oxidation number. Oxidation number is a number that states electrical charge possessed by each one element atom in the molecular compound or the ion. The molecules are ionic compound. Electrical charge contained element atom can be raised by transferring of electrons. In the formation of ionic bond, metal atom loses electron to form the positive ion. Non-metal atom gains electron to form the negative ion. If in the molecule MgF2 consists of Mg2 plus ion with charge of 2 plus, then F minus ion with charge of 1 minus. Said that in the molecule of MgF2 oxidation number +2 and oxidation number of fluorine -1. In the molecule of covalent compound, the rising of electron charge each element atom is caused by the external difference of electronegativity of element, so that occur polarization covalent bond. In the polar covalent bond, the more electronegative atom become more negative charge and the other atom becomes more positive charge. In the polar covalent, for example H2O, H contains +1, oxygen contains 2 minus. Determining oxidation number of elements. The oxidation number of element in the molecule or in the ion by use the rules of oxidation number can be determined. First one, write down the molecular or ionic formula which will be determined oxidation number is element and between one atom of element and others given Enoch space. Second point, write each oxidation number of elements in below. It can write X for the element that will be determined its oxidation number. Third point, use the rules of the oxidation number, that is rules of number 7 or 8 for determine X value. For example H2SO4. Determine the oxidation number for sulfur and Cr2O7 2 minus chromium. First one, molecule of H2SO4 ion of Cr2O7 2 minus. Find. First point, oxidation number of X in H2SO4. A simple reason. First rules. First point, in elements in the free or the uncombined state, each atom bears an oxidation number of 0. For ions composed of only one atom, the oxidation number is equal to the charge and the ion. Third point, for oxygen in the case of superoxides and peroxides, oxygen state is assigned to oxygen as -1 or -half. Fourth point, the second exception with oxygen is with the fluorides and difluorides where the oxygen has an oxygen state of +2 and +1. Fifth point, the number assigned to oxygen will depend upon the bonding state of oxygen, but this will have a positive number. Sixth point, the oxygen state of hydrogen is +1 except when it is bonded with elements with binary compounds. When it is bonded with lithium, beryllium, it has the oxygen state of -1. Seventh point, in all its compounds, fluorine has an oxygen state of -1. Other halogens like chlorine, bromine and iodine have also the oxygen state as -1 except oxoanions and oxoacids. Eighth point, the algebraic sum of the oxidation number of all the atoms in a compound must be 0. In polyatomic ions, the algebraic sum of all the oxidation number of atoms of the ion must be equal to the charge on the ion. Oxidation number basic rules. First point, free elements including H2, O2, O3, N2, F2 have oxidation number of 0. Second one, oxidation number of fluorine and halogens -1. Next one, oxidation number of hydrogen always +1. Hydrogen in the hydride compounds, oxidation number of hydrogen is -1. Hydride compounds means compound of hydrogen with metal. For example, H2O, NH3, H2S, HCl, HNO3, H2SO oxidation number +1. Hydrogen oxidation number +1. Hydride compound LiH, NaH, MgH2 oxidation number -1. This is hydride compounds of hydrogen with metal. Fifth point, in their compounds, non-metals have oxygen state according to the table below. First, non-metal higher on the table take priority. Fluorine -1, hydrogen +1, oxygen -2, group 7A -1, group 6A -2, group 5A -3. For example, CF4, CH4, CO2, CCl4, CS2, NH3. Reduction oxidation reaction based on oxidation number change. First one, oxidation reaction. Oxidation reaction is a chemical reaction which is accompanied by increasing of oxidation number. First one, aluminum oxidation number 0 increasing to Al3+. This is oxidation reaction. S2 minus. S2 minus converted to S minus 2 converted to 0. This is oxidation reaction. Reduction reaction is a chemical reaction which is accompanied by decreasing of oxidation number. For example, SN4 minus converted to SN4 plus converted to SN2 plus. Therefore, 4 plus 2, 2 plus. Therefore, reduction of decreasing oxidation number. And Cl to 0 converted to Cl minus 0 to -1. Therefore, decreasing of oxidation number. Generally, metallic elements of group B has oxidation number more than one type. Zinc, silver, copper, gold, iron, lead. Zinc oxidation number +2, silver +1, copper +1 +2, gold +1 +3, iron +2 +3, lead +2 +4. Oxidation number of monoatomic ion, Na ++1, Ba2 ++2, if Fe3 ++3, Cl -1, S2 -2. The sum of oxidation number of elements atoms in a compound molecules is equal to 0. For example, H2O. How many hydrogen? 2 hydrogen. Therefore, H into 2. How many oxygen? 1. Oxygen into 1. Therefore, hydrogen oxidation number +1. Oxygen oxidation number -2. Therefore, +1 into 2 and -1 into 1. Therefore, +2 plus -2 0. Therefore, H2O oxidation number 0. Next one, polyatomic ion OH minus. How many oxygen? 1. How many hydrogen? 1. How many charge? Minus charge. Therefore, minus 1 not equal to 0. Okay. Oxygen, hydrogen equal to minus 1. For minus 2 is a oxygen oxidation number. My plus 1 is a hydrogen oxidation number. Minus 2 into 1 plus 1 into 1. Therefore, minus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 equal to minus 1. Upon minus 1 equal to minus 1. Therefore, oxygen oxidation number 0. For example, H2SO4. Hydrogen oxidation number plus 1. Oxygen oxidation number minus 2. Sulfur is find. Therefore, sulfur is equal to consider X. Hydrogen oxygen number plus 1, sulfur X, oxygen minus 2. 2 into plus 1 in plus 1 into X. How many sulfur? 1, therefore 1. How many hydrogen? 2, therefore 2. How many oxygen? 4, therefore 4. 4 into minus 2 equal to 0. Plus 2 plus X plus minus 8 equal to 0. Therefore, the X equal to plus 2 minus 2. Therefore, X equal to plus 6. Therefore, sulfur the oxidation number of sulfur in H2SO4 is plus 6. Next, Cr2O7 2 minus. How many chromium? 2 chromium. And how many oxygen? 7. It's a polyatomic number. Therefore, charge minus 2. 2 into X, find chromium, therefore consider X 7 minus 2, therefore minus 2. 2X plus minus 14 equal to minus 2, therefore charge plus 6. Therefore, oxidation number of chromium in CrO4 2 minus is plus 6. Type of redox reactions. 5 types of redox reaction. First one, combination reaction and decomposition reaction and displacement reaction and double displacement reactions and disproportion reactions. First one, combination reactions. Redox reaction in which two substances combine to form a single compound are called combination reactions. For example, carbon dioxide. Carbon plus oxygen converted into carbon dioxide. Carbon oxidation number 0 converted into plus 4. Therefore, increasing oxidation number. Therefore, oxidation reaction. Oxygen oxidation number 0 converted into minus 2. Therefore, decreasing oxidation number. Therefore, reduction reaction. This is combined to form. Therefore, combination reaction. Next, decomposition reaction. Redox reaction in which a compound breaks down into 2 or more components are called decomposition reactions. These reactions are opposite to combination reactions. In this reaction, the oxidation number of the different elements in the same substance is changed. For example, KClO3. Potassium oxidation number plus 5, oxidation number minus 2, converted into 2KCl plus 3O2. Next one, displacement reactions. Redox reaction which an ion in a compound is displaced by an ion of another element are called displacement reactions. There are further classified into metal displacement reactions and non-metal displacement reactions. First one, metal displacement reactions. Place a zinc metal strip in an aqueous copper sulfate solution. So blue color is a aqueous copper sulfate solution taken in a beaker. Observe the solution. The intensity of blue color of the solution slowly reduced and finally disappeared. The zinc metal strip became coated with brownish metallic copper. This is due to the following metal displacement reactions. This is reaction copper sulfate plus zinc converted into copper plus zinc sulfate. So copper sulfate converted into copper, therefore redox reaction. Zinc converted to zinc sulfate. This is oxidation reaction to form redox reactions. And non-metal displacement reactions. Zinc plus HCl. Zinc converted into zinc chloride and HCl converted into hydrogen. Zinc oxidation number 0, 2 plus 2, therefore oxidation. Hydrogen plus 1 converted to 0, therefore redox reaction. And disproportion reactions are auto-redox reaction. In some redox reaction, the same compound can undergo both oxidation and reduction. In such a reaction, the oxidation state of one and the same element is both increased and decreased. These reactions are called disproportionation reaction. For example, H2O2 peroxide, hydrogen peroxide converted to water and oxygen. H2O2 oxygen plus 1 minus converted to 0. Sorry, minus 1 converted to 0, therefore oxidation. And H2O minus 1 converted to minus 2, therefore reduction reaction. Balancing of redox reactions. The two methods of balancing the equation of redox reaction are as follows. First one, the oxidation number method. Second one, ion electron method. Both are based on the same principle. In oxidation reduction reaction, the total number of electrons donated by the reducing agent is equal to the total number of electrons gained by the oxidizing agent. First one, oxidation number method. So very important one. This two method is very important. In this method, the number of electrons lost or gained in the reaction is calculated from the oxidation number of elements before and after the reaction. Let us consider the oxidation number of ferrous, the oxidation of ferrous sulfate by potassium permanganate in acid medium. The unbalanced chemical equation is FeSO4 KMnO4 plus H2SO4 converted into Fe2SO4 thrice plus M1SO4 and K2SO4 plus water. Step 1. Using oxidation number concept, identify the reactants which undergo oxidation and reduction. This is reaction. FeSO4 converted to Fe2SO4 thrice. This is oxidation. KMnO4 converted into M1SO4. This is reduction. The oxidation number of M1 in KMnO4 changes from plus 7 to plus 2 by gaining 5 electrons. The oxidation number of ion in FeSO4 changes from plus 2 to plus 3 by losing 1 electron. Step 2. Since the total number of electrons lost is equal to the total number of electrons gained, equate the number of electrons by cross multiplication of the respective formula with suitable integrals on reactant side as below. Here the product Fe2SO4 thrice contains 2 moles of ions. So the coefficients in 1 electrons into 5 electrons are multiplied by the number 2. Listen, FeSO4 1 electrons into 2 because 2 Fe ion 2 ion molecules 1 into 2, therefore 2. KMnO4 M1 convert to M1. Okay, 5 electrons in charge is plus 7 convert to plus 2, therefore 5 electrons into 2 into 10. The cross multiplication 10 FeSO4 plus 2 KMnO4 and plus H2SO4 Fe2SO4 thrice plus M1SO4 K2SO4 and water molecule. Step 3. Balance the reactant. Now based on the reactant sides balance, the products, the above equation becomes 10 FeSO4 and 2 KMnO4 plus H2SO4 equal to 5 Fe2SO4 thrice and 2 M1SO4 and K2SO4 plus water, because 5 into 2 10. 10 Fe and 10 5 into 10 Fe and 2m, therefore 2mn. Okay. Step 4, balance the other elements except H and oxygen atom. In the case, we have to balance K and sulfur atoms, but K is balanced automatically. Reactant side 10s atoms, 10 FeSO4. Product side 18s atoms. Therefore, 15s plus 2s plus 1s equal to 10, 18x. Therefore, the difference 8x atoms in the reactant side has to be balanced by multiplying H2SO4 by 8. The equation now becomes 10 H2SO4, 8 H2SO4. Step 5. Balancing hydrogen and oxygen atoms. Reactant side 16 hydrogen atoms, 8 H2SO4 and 2H, it is 16 hydrogen. Product side 2 hydrogen atoms, H2O, 1 and 2H, therefore 2H. Therefore multiplying H2O molecules in the product side by 8. Listen, 8 H2O. 8 H2O. The oxygen atoms automatic balance. This is the balanced equation. So another one, ion electron method. This method is used for ionic Dix reactions. Step 1. Using oxidation number concept, find out the reactants which undergo oxidation and reductions. Step 2. Write two separate half reactions for oxidation and reduction reaction. Let us consider the same example which we have already discussed in oxidation number method. KMnO4 FeSO4 plus H2SO4, MnSO4 Fe2SO4 tries and K2SO4 and water. The ionic form of this reaction is MnO4 minus Fe2 plus H plus Mn2 plus and Fe3 plus and H2O. Fe2 plus convert to Fe3 plus, therefore oxidation. MnO4 Mn plus 7 convert to plus 2, therefore reduction reaction. The two half reaction are Fe2 plus converted into Fe3 plus, loss of 1 electrons. MnO4 minus plus gain of 5 electrons converted to Mn2 plus. Balance the atoms and charges on both sides of the half reaction. Okay, Fe2, the equation 2, 4 oxygen on the reactant side, therefore add 4 H2O on the product side. The balance hydrogen added and 8 H plus. In the reactant side, MnO4 minus and 5 electron plus 8 H plus, Mn2 plus 4 H2O, therefore 8 hydrogen. Step 3. Equate both half reactions such that the number of electrons lost is equal to number of electrons gained. Addition of two half reactions gives the balanced equation represented by equation 6. Listen. First one, equation 1 into 5 Fe2 plus 5 Fe3 plus and 5 electron, and equation 3 multiple 1 MnO4 minus 5 electron plus 8 H plus Mn2 plus and 4 H2O. Therefore 5 electron is cancelled. Therefore 5 Fe2 plus MnO4 minus and 8 H plus. Reactant side, product side 5 Fe3 plus Mn2 plus and 4 H2O. See, this is product side. Students, this is two questions under 44 and 45 is a very important question. Okay, today's homework in chemistry, balance the following equation by oxidation number method. It's a very important 4 question, and balance the following equation by ion electron method. Very important 4 questions. Totally 8 questions, a very important one. Okay, students, watch this video 2 or 3 times that you can understand the concept well. Today's homework question, 8 questions. Here I give 8 questions for you. So you have to think and answer these questions and write these questions and answers 3 times in your homework note, and also write test in your chemistry slip test note and send it to my WhatsApp number. Thank you, students. God bless you.